Hey, hope everyone's having a great day. Today's video is a simple eating plan to have a flat stomach and never get hungry. So I'm going to share in today's video the type of eating plan that I've been following for quite some time now, a number of years, that keeps me fit and healthy all year long, and it makes it so I'm always satisfied and I'm never hungry. And make sure to stay tuned through the video because I'm also going to show you what I ate on this day as well. So my recommendation is to focus on high water, fiber rich foods. So these foods are going to fill up your stomach and they're lower in calorie density, so you can actually eat more volume of food and have less calories. Now I don't do any calorie restriction, so I just eat as much as I want when I feel I need it. And I think because of my food choices, I'm able to do this and be very satisfied while maintaining the physique that I want. So I suggest starting off with the most easily digested foods first. So usually I'll start off with either a meal of fruit, like a bowl of fruit, or a smoothie, and then vice versa. So if my first meal is a smoothie, my second meal would be a bowl of fruit, just depending on which order I have it. And then maybe from there I'll work into a salad or maybe a starch meal, something easier starch like maybe oatmeal with more fruit. Then for dinner, it's probably going to be a starch meal like a vegetable soup, maybe something like veggie burritos, a veggie bowl, something like that. So it's a plant-based diet. It's going to be a lot of water-rich foods like fruits and salads, smoothies, some juice maybe, and also make sure I get in my greens. So I'm definitely having big salads, maybe 5-6 days a week, maybe some green juice, and those are really the key type of foods you want to eat if you want to be able to eat a good amount of quantity, not be hungry, have lower body fat, and also maintain strength and vitality. So on this day, I started off my first meal at 1 p.m. because I do intermittent fast through the morning, and I had a bowl of tangerines and some tropical gold pineapple. Very delicious, nice and hydrating. My second meal was at 4 p.m. I made some banana and ice cream. I had 5 frozen ripe bananas that I thaw in hot water to defrost. I had 3 dates. I had a tablespoon of peanut butter and a tablespoon of cacao powder. Now for the bananas, I thaw them in hot water for about 4 minutes and they just come right out the peel. Nice and good consistency. There it is, nice and delicious. Then at 4 p.m. I had a snack. I had an apple. Then I had a peanut butter and jelly sandwich on Dave's seeded bread and some cashews. Then dinner at 7 p.m. was a veggie bowl. It had rice, beans, mixed vegetables, tomatoes, lettuce, guacamole, and some tortilla chips. So that was it for the day. Make sure to check out my plant-based recipe ebook in the description box. I have some delicious recipes. Give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. Subscribe for more videos. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Hope everyone has a great day, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.